So this should be a reminder to everybody to change your oil and change it often. God. What do you got going on there, Jer?
I gotta remove these headers so I could do this clutch.
That's Cam Z06. They literally shipped it, and we're doing a clutch and tune. That's it.
Yep, it's got Texas Speed Boys, so can't get the torque tube out, or you can't get to the bell housing bolts, I should say.
Okay.
Because of the
angle,
the location of the headers. Usually, like, the collectors are here, not here. So
everybody's got a different design, pal. It's not necessarily wrong. It's just different. This thing is rowdy, though.
it is definitely on the rowdy
Interesting to
side.
see what it does.
What's that? Borla.
Oh, is that's all that makes it rowdy? It's the Borla? Okay.
I mean, it's the whole combination, but the Borla itself gives it that.
Note to Corvette owners, just buy a Borla if you want a car to be rowdy. It will give it the chop chop, according to Jerry.
The chop chop.
Tennessee. So after that quick little time lapse, clutch is all done, trans and everything's back up.
Yep, we just tighten up the brake lines. Hey, thank you whoever sent me the gloves. They're great.
This guy?
Yeah, that guy. That guy. Black gloves, black car, great gloves.
Yeah.
Have not ripped yet. Been on for about 2 hours now.
Yeah, he sent us a bunch of goodies. We appreciate it. And then Matt has his next project, his blue 6 Gen. We did basic bolt-ons last time. This is the one we did the valved Corsa on. We did the video about. Those look good. That matches nicely. So what are you doing on this, Matt?
This visit, we're just doing piston rod and a cam.
Okay, nice.
And I think it's getting like a MAMO, or not a MAMO, I always say that.
MSD.
An MSD intake. All in preparation. I think he wants to do a Pro Charger down the road. So
Nice.
it's kind of doing this thing in stages.
Okay.
So.
Well, when you do the cam, is a good time to do the piston rod, so that's smart.
Yep. Oh, it's gonna clutch too.
Okay, cool.
So we're gonna do. He's doing all the right things while we're doing the cam. So
Awesome.
motor be out, do the clutch.
Monster triple.
Monster triple.
Yeah, so we already had numbers on this, so we didn't need to baseline it. It was here before. We have a baseline bolt-ons, and then we'll be able to do piston rod cam, and then when it comes back for Pro Charger, we'll do all of those. So yeah, this thing's still clean.
Oh, it's ridiculously clean. It's actually. Like,
he does have a detail company, so that does help.
disgustingly clean.
But I feel like anytime you do something, you don't really work on your own stuff to do. Like you do this stuff every day, and the last thing you want to do is work on your own car. So
Right.
props to him for keeping it clean.
Yeah, I've been meaning to put a motor in my truck for about 6 weeks. Just sitting over there on the floor.
For the second time.
Yeah, but that's the problem.
You already did it, and then the one junkyard one you got was all smoky.
Smokey Joe.
Dude, do you still have that boat anchor of a f***ing sledge thing here?
Yeah.
I should go get a video of that. That was awful. So Matt bought this truck a little while ago, and he bought it because it had, well, he got it cheap because it was low oil pressure, and he knew it was going to need an engine. I'm just going to show it to you. It's impressive, to say the least. So here is the sludge monster that was in it. And it didn't even have that many miles, but look at this. That's what happens when you, like, never change your oil. Oh my God. God, like, look at the valley. Oh my God. So this should be a reminder to everybody to change your oil and change it often. God. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen an engine that bad.
song for the last time.
Thank you, Matthew, for that.
You're welcome, Stevie.
Eric's making good progress on this. Valve cover's on. Looking really good.
Perfect.
2-3 upper. You missed Matt rocking out a second ago. It's pretty entertaining.
See it every day.
I know. He has the engine out of this. Taking the old clutch off.
Steven Tyler Spielberg.
Oh, is that my new name now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not Spielberg, Steelsberg.
Steelsberg.
You know.
Sweet.
What did you say?
Steven Tyler Steelsberg. That's, dude.
Yeah, because he steals our shit.
Oh, you're.
Steven Tyler and Steven Spielberg are the same people?
According to Matthew, I'm a rock star director.
I thought that was the middle. Really rocking
Steven
the boat
Tyler is a different person there, pal. Steven Spielberg, I actually don't know his real middle name, but I guarantee it's not Tyler.
here. You know Steven Tyler's middle name?
It's definitely not Spielberg.
It's that. What he said.
Good times, good times. I'm always scared I'm gonna drop the thing right on my
I
fucking,
know.
you know, non-steel.
So you tried to take me out with that pry bar.
Joe, I'm smoked there with that 6-pound pry bar.
I think I had my safety toes on to protect it.
You excited to use your new piston ring cutter tool again?
Yeah. I feel like I need to relearn it again, just a refresher.
Okay.
Maybe not.
You're gonna be doing a couple of these. This did one 2 weeks ago, now this one, and then another one after that.
I've done like 3 in the last 2 months.
Yeah.
And this one, then I got another one.
You like those though. The only part that's like a shame is both of them are gonna be NA for now. So you're not gonna have like that rewarding feeling of like 1,000 horsepower when the build's done, you know what I mean? You just build
That's
bottom
alright,
end.
though. I know this guy will be back sooner than later.
Yeah. He's pretty local too.
Yeah. Get a blower on this thing and get it turned up.
But like you said, it's the right time to do it. Head's got to come off anyways for doing a cam. Everything else got to come out. So, you know, free labor, as we like to say. Not free, but
Everybody loves free labor.
cheaper than to do it twice. So all we did was math on this thing. I turned the math nozzles all the way up so it won't spray. So we're gonna do a baseline with what it was tuned for before without meth, and then we're gonna tune it on meth and R2. Same thing as the red car in that recent episode, so you should get a good before and after. Well, the first one, the tack signal got messed up, so I just fixed that. And then the second pole, you see a cleaner graph, still made about the same. 654, 656, 613 torque, 615 torque.
Yeah,
change. boost location real quick, but we got our baselines, got our numbers. Bill sent me all that he's done to this thing.
Yeah, he sent it to me too.
So she was very rich.
It was, yes.
How else was the tune?
It was a tune.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna dial in the meth, get it close, and then
Tune and meth
tune. Yep.
goes hand in hand.
Yep. First one so far, 669. It is making 7 pounds, so that's good. Air fuel's actually looking pretty good. They're not a full pull, but up a little bit so far. You don't really see these blowers on these cars very much.
I don't know if I've ever done one with.
I think we had one before.
I did one years ago.
I remember one. And then we had
It
a
made
red,
good power. I think it made like 900 or 8 some change.
Then we also had a red Edelbrock one. That was a pile of junk.
C6 Z?
Yeah. Yep. Guy had nothing done to it but the Edelbrock, and it made like 550. Because we were talking about how our heads came, what a better investment.
I think I do remember that.
That was the red one. Doing a little better. Getting that air fuel dialed in. Rip that one out a little bit more. 728, 664. IATs and everything.
89 at the end of the poll.
Yeah, that was a concern before. So.
I don't go off what other people told him.
I'm just saying, apparently the owner had issues with IATs.
Someone told him he had issues with AATs.
Yeah. Well, whoever tuned it, built it, whatever, told him.
Having issues and being told you have issues are two different things.
If you believe what you're told, then you think you're having an issue.
His name is Jerry. He doesn't take showers.
What'd you say about the bearings? They're fresh, boys?
Looking real fresh.
Good. Oh, we're replacing them anyways, aren't
Yeah, I mean,
we? Oh,
it's still just
not even a
good sign that, you know, got a healthy motor here.
Yep.
Nice.
You got a
I'm
peanut-
sorry, what?
You get a peanut gallery over there.
You hear that?
You know, definitely. Dude, I get errors all the time. It's just like, it's just another thing of owning a dyno. It's just so easy to fix it. Mine gets through it. An error.
The hammer always does everything.
I've had this hammer since I was 16.
So it's like 4
One of the
years
best
old.
tools I've ever bought. No, I'm not Andrew.
Fair enough.
2-3 years?
Yeah, I wish. I would happily go back to 21.
Yeah, you and me both. Matt's got all of his pistons and rods ready. Starting on the rings. Everything looks really good. Cross action and everything. Still brand new. Might as well check on Jerry over here making a racket while I'm trying to film.
What's up, buddy?
What are you doing on this? I mean, I know, but why don't you tell me?
Oh, we did rear gears. He had 390s in here. I forget what we put in there, but it's an auto, and I guess he was running out of gear with a blower.
I think stock gears. So we had this in before for a tune. It was NA or CAM or whatever, and he put 391 gears in it, which is good. It's a good gear to have. But then he put the blower on, and anytime you really do that, you've got a really freaking short gear set, especially ending a quarter mile and everything, or even just driving around. So I think I even remember a friend talking about it when we had on the dyno. So
Problem is, it sucks because it's got 391 gears in it,
it's so quick.
and now that it makes this much power, it's probably not going to be. It should probably go back to the stock gear. We'll see how well this trans is going to shift because it's got a converter in it, a 391 gear, and a Roots blower, making this much power. Like on an all-motor car, something fine, but not on a blower car. It's not needed. Like this thing will probably run out of gear before the quarter mile. Like, yeah, 100%. Because at the top of my fourth gear pull, at 7,000 RPM, I'm going 125 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah. And you want to be top of fourth at the end.
So the quarter, yeah.
At the quarter, and I'm assuming this thing's probably going to be 140-ish. Maybe.
130 and some change, but
Yeah.
still, you want to probably keep that gear to be able to go 140 something, but
Right. Maybe 8 miles in.
yeah, I mean 125 is whatever. I mean, it was built by someone else. The guy said it drove so bad before he didn't even want to floor it, and the tune was.
I think we're putting stock gears back in.
Yep.
Or you already did.
Already did.
Yeah, that. Perfect. Not exactly something that is super fun to film, watch.
No.
So.
Alright guys, time to focus.
Alright, well I'll leave you to that boring, fun.
You know what? I'm a boring person.
You are, you're right. You got it. Alright, we'll do a little snap finish. There you have it. All done. Looking good.